guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing a Uwins hair unit. So let's look inside. All the details to like the thing will be in the description. So this is the box. The box is gorgeous. Like, oh my days, look. First you get the unit. We'll talk about that later. You get the caps by Uwins. You get a little goodie bag, get an extra bang, edge brush, bobby pins, these clippy things. They get this about the brand, how to take care of the hair, refund. Then you get a little thingy, put the hair in once you're done with it. It's 100% human hair. It's 10 inches and it's one. And it comes in a net. Comes with an extra secure band because it is glueless. It can possibly glueless. It is a symmetrical bob. This is how it looks in the inside. Hello everybody. Okay, so I'm just putting some powder on my lace and on the wig cap. Then I apply the wig. I ended up taking off the wig cap because, as you can see, babes, it's transparent lace. You can see the wig cap and it does not look good, so it looked better without. Now I'm just putting the hair back out of the way so that I can start cutting the lace. Girl, I had watched a video and the girl said part where you're gonna cut the ear tabs, so I did that. I was struggling. I literally had to take off the whole wig and then do it. Like, I cut and then I took off the wig and then cut again. But anyway, yeah, that's what we're working with. Cutting the lace is bruh, it's a lot of work, because if you mess up, the lace will not grow back, babes. So you need to take your time, go slow. Like, if you need to breathe, girl. If you need to take a break, take the break, babes. So that's what I'm doing. Look at my face, bitch. I was struggling, but anyway, we got through it. So yeah, it's fine. Literally had to do a whole happy dance because of the trauma that I was going through. Anyway, that's the lace without it being glued down. Girl, like, lace wear, like, this hair is so beautiful. I love it with all my heart. Now I'm putting on some got to be. I'm going to do it in sections. So we're starting with my forehead first. I just didn't want to turn on the hair dryer, but anyway, girl, look at this. Look at this hairline, bitch. No ways. So I'm just gonna glue it down using the got to be, and I'm just spreading it so that it goes to all the right places. And then after that, I started using the hair dryer because this bitch was not working. So I put the hair dryer on cool and then hair dried it to dry so that it's tacky. And then once it got tacky, I would place the lace on top of it, as you can see. Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody. I will not lie, these ear tabs are giving me a run for my money. Like, the struggle, babes, the struggle. But I found a technique. I would spray it, put the hair dryer, spread it obviously, then put the hair dryer on. Then I would press it down, right? And then after pressing it down, I would put the hair dryer again, and it worked. So I did it on the other side because girl was lifting, and then after that it did not lift anymore and it looked gorgeous. Look. I just had to remove some hairs that got stuck during the pressing, but like, look at that hairline. Oh my days, gorgeous. On some parts I just needed to do some touch-ups, as you can see. Same technique, press it in, bitch, press it in, hair dry it, and then it's not moving after that. Look at that hairline, guys. Oh my gosh, this hair noise. I'm just laying it now, and I did this hard, like it needs to be like on there for 10 minutes, and then I put on some heat protectant and straightened the hair so that it looks good. You got something real love, babe. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make. This straightener was too hard, babes. Like, yo, it came in contact right over here. Look at that. Like, oh my days. I hit the back of that wall hard. Like, it was so painful. But anyway, we moved on with our lives and carried on straightening. The hair is so luscious and there's zero shedding, like no shedding at all. Silky, my guy. Look at that. Look at that noise. It's like an essential summer wig in my opinion. Oh my gosh, look at that hairline. I'm gonna cry. Look, girl, it looks like my hair. It looks like my hair. Now I'm going to flatten it out, make it look flat. So I'm gonna use the stick, and then I'm gonna use a comb to flatten it out. Look at that, guys. Tell me this is not my hair. This is my hair. This is my hair. Like, I just relaxed my hair and it's giving. It's totally giving. We all know it's giving. It's okay. You don't have to lie to yourself. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want to prove, but it's dangerous. You got something real not basic. You want to get with me, stop. Then I just did the same to the other side. Okay, now I'm doing my edges. So for this wig, it really did not need edges, but I'm an edge girl, so they had to be edges. So just put a little bit, like a little bit, and I used the foam to sculpt them out because it lasts longer with it compared to like any gel or the got2b glue. So yeah, look at that. Just the tiniest bit, very, very natural, very, very clean. That's what I was going for because I did not want to ruin the hair or like the hairline or anything. So that's what I did, and it turned out really good. I did the other side, and look at that, girl. You cannot tell me you do not think this hair is drop dead gorgeous. It's perfect. Oh, look how pretty. It is so pretty. I love this hair. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't skip the ads, bitch. Bye. She